why the internet isn't buzzing about prompt engineering anymore? Not long ago, people treated it like a golden ticket. If you knew how to craft the perfect prompt, you could unlock anything. But now, things are shifting fast, and what's replacing it might just change how we work forever. When AI tools first became mainstream, everyone was obsessed with learning how to talk to them. Writing a good prompt felt like a superpower, almost like coding in plain English. Courses popped up, tutorials flooded YouTube, and prompt engineer even became a real job title. It sounded futuristic and complex, but if you've noticed recently, the noise around it has faded. People aren't asking, "How do I write better prompts?" anymore. They're asking something else entirely. The reason? The technology and how we use it is evolving faster than anyone expected. Let's rewind a little. When the first wave of advanced artificial intelligence tools came out, they were like incredibly smart assistants, but they didn't always understand what you wanted unless you explained it perfectly. So people learned to engineer prompts, detailed instructions, clever phrasing, and even formatting tricks to get better results. Every technology has a golden phase, and then it evolves beyond the need for manual expertise. Just like we no longer need to know HTML to post on social media, we're entering a time where you won't need to engineer prompts to work with artificial intelligence. The biggest reason prompt engineering is fading is simple. Artificial intelligence models are getting smarter at understanding natural human language. They're learning context, tone, intent, and even emotion. You can now type casually, just like you talk to a coworker, and still get high-quality results. Think about how voice assistants evolved. In the early days, you had to say, "Weather today, New York." Now you just ask, "What's the weather like outside?" And it gets it right. The same thing is happening with these advanced models. They're designed to understand you, not the other way around. Here's another big shift. We're moving from chatting with tools to integrating them directly into what we already use. Instead of typing commands into a chat box, artificial intelligence is being built right into our workflows. Writers are using tools inside their word processors. Marketers are using it inside design apps. Coders have it embedded inside their development platforms. The need to write clever prompts is disappearing because the system already understands your intent based on what you're doing. But what's replacing prompt engineering isn't just better comprehension, it's automation. We're entering the age of agents, digital systems that don't just respond to prompts, but take actions on their own. Instead of writing, "Summarize this report," and create a PowerPoint, you'll soon just say, "Prepare the client update for tomorrow." And your virtual agent will do the rest, summarize the data, design the slides, maybe even send an email draft for approval. So, what does this mean for people who built careers around prompt engineering? It's not bad news, it's evolution. The best prompt engineers are already transforming into system designers, workflow strategists, and AI product thinkers. The real value now lies in problem solving, not phrasing. If you understand what needs to be done, how data flows, and what the outcome should look like, you'll be more valuable than ever. In fact, the next big wave isn't about prompts. It's about creating intelligent systems that don't need prompts at all. Let's be honest, you don't need to engineer your thoughts anymore. You need to clarify them. The new skill replacing prompt engineering is clear thinking. Because when artificial intelligence can understand anything you say, your advantage is how clearly you can define a goal, express an idea, and evaluate results. The system can write, design, analyze, or plan, but it still needs human direction rooted in understanding, creativity, and strategy. Think of it like this. In the early days, you needed to know how to type code today. You just need to know what problem you want solved. That's where the world is heading again. So yes, prompt engineering as we know it is dying, but it's not the end of creativity. It's the beginning of a smarter relationship between humans and technology. The new era isn't about telling the machine what to do. It's about collaborating with it. The winners will be the ones who understand context, purpose, and vision. Not those who memorize tricks, but those who can think clearly and lead intelligently. In the end, prompt engineering was never the destination, it was just the bridge. And the people who can see what's on the other side, they're the ones who'll shape the future of work. If you found this helpful and want to stay ahead in this new era of technology and business, make sure to subscribe.